Yo, I was literally just chilling on my bike, minding my own business, and out of nowhere, this dude takes the wrong turn and almost crashes straight into me. Like, bro, you came into my lane first. At first, I wasn't even tripping. Mistakes happen, right? But then this man throws a whole attitude and starts pointing the sign like I'm the problem. That's what really got me heated. Then he starts lecturing me, saying I shouldn't even be coming from that side of the road. Meanwhile, watch closely. This dude literally switches over to the other road himself right after saying that.
ಏನಂತ ಅಣ್ಣ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಿರ್ಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
ನಮ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ನೀವು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ
ಹೋಗು
ಹೋಗು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ